My name is Laurel, and I have been living with Parkinson's since 2012. My Parkinson's has now progressed and is considered complex. For me, this means that my symptoms were getting worse, but it can mean something different to everyone. I found that trying to stay as physically and socially active as my Parkinson's symptoms would allow helped me after my initial diagnosis. However, after some time, I noticed my balance getting worse, and I felt I was starting to freeze where my feet would feel stuck to the floor. I spoke to my doctor, who said this meant my Parkinson's was progressing. Despite the risk of falling now being a daily challenge, I love doing lots of voluntary things like helping with a local mothers and toddlers group. It keeps my mind ticking over and they keep me involved, making adaptations for me if I'm having a bad day. Some people I know with Parkinson's manage to continue working. Others channel their time into creating art. Others set up Parkinson-specific exercise or support groups. And I even know someone who became a comedian. It's really about understanding your personal abilities and channeling them into something you enjoy. If you notice that you're not able to do the things you could before, such as volunteering, speak to your doctor or nurse in a timely fashion. There is support available. My advice would be to try and thoroughly prepare for your next appointment, to talk about the changes and make the most of the time you have with the doctor or nurse. If possible, take photos or videos of any changes, or keep a diary and ask people close to you what they might have noticed. If you can, I would also recommend taking someone with you to the appointment. If you end up getting emotional or getting a bit overwhelmed, they can take over from you and help make notes, or even remind you of the discussion after the appointment. The time with the doctor or nurse is the best opportunity to ask the questions you want answered, based on your own experience, as everyone's experience of Parkinson's is different.